5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Max, there's a baby coming. And we have rules in this house. Do not eat the baby. Is that understood? Do you understand? Do not eat the baby. Got it?
I won't eat the baby. I love the baby. I won't eat the baby. I love babies. I love babies. I won't eat the baby. I eat snacky poos. I don't eat babies.
All right, Max. Good. I'm glad you got it.
You'll see, I won't eat the baby at all. You'll see, I love babies. I don't eat babies. They're not snacky poos to me at all. You'll see, honest, you can trust me.
Smooth, suave, sophisticated.